factory in Dublin. There you go, invented this. All the T distribution is somebody's taken, for small samples, your continental is going to be wider. Okay. Right? And the smaller sample, the more uncertain it is. You start having more variation. And the smaller the sample, the much more uncertain. You have uncertainty with the mean, you also have uncertainty with the variance as well. Okay? So what they do, invented this distribution. Basically, it's a normal curve and something sat on it. The smaller the sample, the more the curve sat on. All it does is, if you imagine sitting on this, it's going to spread out the curve at the bottom to keep the area 1. So imagine sitting on a normal distribution, squashing it down at the top to keep the area under it 1, it's going to make it wider. So what you'll find, the t-values tend to be bigger than the equivalent. 95% continental with a t distribution will be the t value will be bigger than the z value. Okay, right? If you're not sure whether to use a t distribution or a z distribution, default to your t. If your n is large, the t values and the z values become the same anyway. Okay, so go with a t distribution over a z distribution every time, unless you're told. The only exception to that is if you're told the population variance, not the sample variance. Okay, then you should use a z distribution whether the sample is small or large. Okay, right? So, and it's exactly the same thing. The confidence level is x bar minus the s value now, rather than the standard deviation. The appropriate t value, which you get in the same sort of way on the calculator, and we'll do this next time, over root n. But again, the calculator does it all for you as well. You just use the t option on your calculator. Okay, I've kind of reached a sort of logical finishing point. We'll look at some of those exercises next time because time has sort of gone. We'll look at this next time.
Which one there?
With this, okay? But what I want to say is, you have several scenarios of continental. You have either n is large or small, and you have the population variance. Okay? If you have the population variance, use a z distribution. If you don't know the population variance, which is what's going to happen in real life, if n is large, you can use a z distribution, z option. If n is small, you have to use a t distribution. Okay, and I'm going to talk about degrees of freedom. Okay, the t distribution has different values depending on how small your sample. The sample of 10, use a t9 curve for 10 minus 1 degree of freedom. We'll talk about it next time. Okay?
Yeah. I lost that.
Where's my bag there?
Do you remember that TikTok? I do.
That TikTok where you're with the t-shirt turning around.
Yeah.
That TikTok with the car.
I'll show it to you in chemistry. And then, yeah, no, I don't know, it's just, yeah, I see it all the time. Are you actually... What?
I just saw Can you go get me off the contest? Yeah, no, computer study. Computer study, yeah. No, I'm going to go to our room.